everyone, welcome back. This is Deneen. This is Nick. What I want to talk about today is looking presentable for work. So many hairstylists come to work like they work at a goddamn gym.
Kind of like that mannequin that's in the background. Sorry.
She is how some of you look when you come to work. Let me just grab her.
She had a rough night.
If you look like this when you walk in the door, you are not going to get busy.
Nobody wants you to do their hair.
No. So, if you're representing the beauty industry, and I made a bunch of videos on this, you have to look presentable. Like,
Thank
ta-da.
you.
Hair
Today
looks great
I had
today.
a good day.
Yesterday, not so much.
No, but I also was under the weather.
So
I came in, I did everybody's hair.
Yeah. Just do your
but
best.
But I also knew all of them. They've been my clients for years.
Great. I'm glad you brought that up. If you have a new client in your book, and the first person she sees is that mannequin that's on the floor right now, she's probably
going to get an emergency phone call and leave.
Yes. Or you're already starting at like a negative.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Right? She doesn't trust you already. Because if you didn't put yourself together enough to present yourself to a new person, like you're going on a first date, that's exactly what it is. It's a first date. Whether you're dating a guy or a girl, she's interviewing you. She has to trust that you are going to take care of her hair and her look, or she's going to look like shit and then she's not going to come back. Mm-hmm. And that's a lot for a client. I don't even know what it's like to be a client anymore.
Me neither.
Like
no idea.
But if I walked in a salon and saw some girl in like yoga pants with a t-shirt on, makeup all fucked up, and her hair's not really done.
Sweatpants and a crop top.
I don't know if I'm going to trust her doing my hair.
No.
But if I walked in and she was decked out, nice shoes, nice belt, nice makeup, hair's blown out, and the makeup's on point, I trust anything she tells me. So because I trust that she put herself together enough that she's going to put me together.
Yeah.
And that's one thing for you younger stylists out there. I don't know what this look is that happened in the past.
Natural.
So many, this natural. But sweatpants are not what you wear to work.
No.
Workout
looks
pants,
like you're gonna walk your dog.
Lululemon leggings, you should not wear to work. I know it looks cute sometimes, the oversized t-shirt, the leggings, whatever you want to put together. But if you look at the people who are really busy in this career, in the beauty industry, what do they look like when you see them?
They look fabulous. They look great.
Amazing. Why is it when you go to a restaurant, the hostess of the restaurant looks like she's decked out?
Yeah.
That's
She's
the
first
person that you see in that restaurant. Mm-hmm. Like if you walked in that restaurant and she was like a slob, are you going to trust the restaurant is clean in the kitchen? Are you going to trust that, your food's prepped well? I don't know where I'm going with that. But
I used to be a host at TGI Fridays.
That's why you look so good when you come to work. Damn TGI Fridays. But just think, the first impression that they have of you, especially with a new client, is going to be how you look.
Yeah.
Then from there, you have to speak to them. So it's important that you don't only just look good, you actually learn how to articulate what it is you want to do to their hair. So that's a whole other topic of conversation. But it's so important to be, and you feel more confident too. It's different for me. Like I've been doing this for a while. I can wear a t-shirt and jeans. I'm a dude.
You sound like you have to do your makeup.
I don't do anything. So it's
put
different.
A little gel in your hair.
It's different for me. But for you, it's like, how hard is it to get ready for work?
It's really not that hard. But I also do the bare minimum. I get dressed. I do a little, foundation, bronzer, mascara.
You don't have to get decked.
My hair, I wash like twice a week, so it's really not that big of a deal. It's just, even if your hair's dirty one day, just slick it back in a cute ponytail. There's something you can do.
Yeah, you're a hairstylist. It
doesn't need to be in like a sloppy bun on top of your head.
Yep, I'm glad you brought that up. Do something that shows your creativity. If you do hair for a living, do your own fucking hair. Like, do something cool with it.
Yeah.
And then maybe a client will come like, wow, that's pretty cool. Can you do that for me too? Great. I don't have to blow you out. Here's a funky ponytail.
Yeah.
See you later.
I actually had a slicked back pony yesterday, and I never wear my hair up, and all my clients were complimenting it. And I was like, It's just really dirty.
See?
Just don't want to wash it yet.
Just be creative. So if you are going to work, look like a slob, your clients are going to treat you like a slob. Get dressed. Be presentable. Like, put yourself out there.
Put some jewelry on. It makes it a little better, too.
Something. It's like going to a fat trainer. Am I going to take his advice?
No.
No. Why?
I'm going to take him to dinner.
I'm not going to take his advice because what does he know? He doesn't even take his own advice.
Yeah.
So a client won't take your advice if you're not put together properly. So put yourself together. If Deneen can do it the way she drinks, anyone can do it. So if you guys have any questions, put them in the comment box below or put them in the comments. What is it called? The thing?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
If you guys have any questions or want to weigh in this conversation, please drop a comment down below. All right, we'll see you next time.